be doing a review of this pomegranate flavored Lavashak. I tried the barberry one. It was really sour. My favorite still is the mulberry. Out of all of them so far, I tried the sour cherry, and this is the last one on my list to try. So let's open this up. Okay, so this is the pomegranate one. As you can see, there's so many seeds in this because it's made of real pomegranate. But that's probably a drawback of this one. But yeah, let's do a quick taste test. I'll be right back. Okay, this one's the worst out of all of them. There's seeds in it, and it's super sticky. I can't even get it off the second wrapper there. So, as you can see, my favorite, mulberry, guys, mulberry. So, but yeah, this one's not bad. Like, they all taste very similar, but mulberry has a nice taste, and it comes off the wrapper better. So, yep. Okay, guys, if you have questions, comments, please subscribe to the channel.